Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, today we will see some plants that look very beautiful in hanging baskets. This is Syngonium that grows very beautifully in hanging basket. You get many varieties of Syngonium. This is the variegated one. You get dwarf variety, you get pink variety, many varieties of Syngonium, and all look very beautiful in hanging basket. Friends, before I go forward, I request our new friends who have come to our channel to please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button so that you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. So friends, this is money plant, the most famous money plant. If this is the neon type money plant, you get green one or golden pothos, so many types of money plants, and all can be grown in hanging baskets. All are very easy to grow and easy to propagate plants, and you can either trim it and keep it in round shape, or you can allow it to stay longer so that they grow 2 to 3 feet long in the hanging basket. This is the most popular plant grown in most of the households. This is the neon variety. All varieties can be grown in hanging basket, and it is very easy plant. And this is spider plant because it looks like a spider in a basket. It looks very beautiful in a hanging basket. It gets new bulbs or runners during this time, which can be detached and grown into a new plant. It is very easy to care plant. The only thing you have to take care is do not overwater it. Water it only when the upper layer of the soil is dry to touch. The main cause of decay of spider plant is overwatering. Friends, this is purple heart. It's purple in color and it gets small flowers that emit very nice mild fragrance, heart shaped flowers, and it adds color to your garden. Among all the green plants, hanging plants, this is one plant that is deep purple in color. It adds color and vibrance, though it is very common, but it is equally beautiful. It is semi-succulent type plant which can be grown in small hanging basket also, very easily, and very easy to care plant. Our next is Wandering Jew. This is also slightly purple in color, but the back side is purple, and look at the front side. There is a combination of gray and purple color. The leaves look very beautiful. They grow 2 to 3 feet long. In my house it is almost 3 feet long, and it looks really beautiful. Very easy to care plant, and it grows with one small stem, just 5-6 inches stem. If you put it in the soil, you will get new plant. See how long it has grown in hanging basket. It really looks very beautiful. Next is Boston fern. See how nice it looks, and it is growing in such a small pot. This is one of the popular plant, but here you have to keep the soil moist. It likes moist soil, so you have to water it every day, every day. All these plants are shade loving plants. Your fern will grow more if you water it every day. It likes lots and lots of water. Keep it in a hanging basket in a semi-shade. Next is tangleheart. See how long it is growing. It is almost 2 to 3 feet long. In my balcony, it works as a green cover, as a green curtain in my balcony, and it really looks very beautiful. So friends, grow all these plants in your balcony. It really adds cool, make your balcony very cool by growing all these plants in hanging basket and develop nice ecosystem in your balcony. You will not need ACs, I tell you. When I sit in my balcony, it is so soothing and so comforting. This is the hero, turtle vine. It's favorite of everybody, and it is grown in hanging baskets only. Its beauty comes out only in hanging baskets. Some people even grow it on their wall, but I don't suggest that. It will go very long, very long, 5 to 6 feet long. That's why they grow it on the wall. Friends, grow all these plants